Right now, we have so many AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, DeepSeek, Copilot, Gemini, Casa, and many more. That is interesting. Every developer is using something. And let me be honest, AI is powerful. With just one good prompt, AI can build you a one-page landing website, sometimes even a multi-page site. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all in minutes. For small project, prototypes, MVPs, and quick demos. That is amazing because it saves time, it saves money, and it also helps now beginners start faster. But here is where many people get confused. When you move from small project to real systems, things change. Let us say you're building a loan system, a property platform, or an e-commerce backend. Now here you're dealing with user roles, security, payments, scalability, APIs, performance, databases, and business rules. If you just depend on AI prompts at that level, trust me, you'll get stuck because AI can give you pieces. It rarely gives you the full picture. Yeah, so sometimes it mixes patterns, sometimes it contradicts itself, and sometimes it gives you code that looks right but fails under real usage. I have seen developers generate hundreds lines of AI code but still do not know how their system works. That is dangerous. So this is how I use AI in real project. I use AI tools to understand concept, design logic, and think through solutions. I also use them to review my code and suggest improvement. I also use them to generate documentations and test cases. Lastly, I also use them to brainstorm architecture before I start building. I never let them to be the architect. That role is mine. AI is like a junior assistant, very fast, but still it needs guidance. Now, let me talk about the wrong way. Some developers use AI like a shortcut to avoid learning. They copy full systems, they skip debugging, they skip understanding, and they skip testing. Then when a client reports a bug, they panic because they do not know what they build. In today's job market, that does not work. Companies want developers who can design systems, explain decisions, fix problems, scale platforms, and protect data, not people who only know how to write prompts. So here is the truth. AI is perfect for landing pages, prototypes, small tools, learning new stacks, and speeding up development. But for large systems, business logic, architecture, security, and long-term projects, you still need real skills. Use AI to move faster, not to think less. Use it to grow, not to hide your gaps. If you master coding and AI, you'll stay relevant for years. But if you choose to depend on AI alone, you'll struggle. The choice is yours.